How you guys doing? So we've got some Stormtroopers in the background there, so I thought I'd go ahead and add another Stormtrooper to the group. We've got the Carbonized Stormtrooper. Funny story about this guy. I originally ordered him back in March when he was first announced from Entertainment Earth, and it still hasn't shipped yet. So you might be wondering, how do I have this guy? Well, actually, Best Buy had him for pre-order. I ordered him last week, and it came today. So I can't complain about the delivery time. So kind of excited about him. I'm not big into the carbonized ones, but I thought that the carbonized Stormtrooper suit would actually look pretty good. And without opening it yet, I think it looks really cool. So let's go ahead and unbox. Actually, let's take a look at the box itself, and then we'll go ahead and unbox the carbonized figure and see if he's basically the same figure, just carbonized. So taking a look at the side, basically it's the same unnumbered because this is a special trooper, and but its number is E9923. If we take a look at the back, we've got the traditional black series, but it is shiny because this is a carbonized trooper, and it says Stormtroopers are elite shock troopers fanatically loyal to the Empire and impossible to sway from the Imperial cause. Turn around. I will say the box is pretty cool, so I'm probably going to keep the order from Entertainment Earth. So let's go ahead and get out our knife here. Looks like that's the only cut. So I'm expecting the weapons to be exactly the same as we typically see with the Stormtroopers. However, the actual rifle bouncing out, the actual trooper himself should be super cool. And right out of the gate, he's able to stand up. All right, so what does he come with? We've got looks like the normal rifle. No special paint job, but there is, some good detail on the rifle itself. Pistol. Traditional pistol that should fit right in the holster there on the back. Yeah, so I was right, or at least I'm happy about the figure when it comes to how the figure looks carbonized. Let's go ahead and take a look at the range of motion. However, I have a feeling it's going to be exactly the same as the other guys. So arms, that's as far as they go because the shoulders, we're able to get full motion with the arm. Got elbow, almost 90. Should say, yeah, almost 90. Oh, there we go. Like, there's a double joint there. So a little past 90. We've got the full 360. And we've got the back and forth on that guy. And this one should be the up and down as it is. You can see the joint there. So yeah, pretty sure exactly the same as the original trooper to the left there. Almost identical. So I just want to make sure that you guys see that. I've said it in the past, and I'll say it again. I'm a sucker when it comes to the Stormtroopers. I'm going to buy them as long as they release them, which probably a lot of you guys are as well. I am noticing a little bit of detail different. Oh, I guess not. Never mind. Just kidding. Yeah, so basically the same, except he is shiny, which is enough of a reason for me to purchase him. So there you go. That's the figure. I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time with him because he's exactly the same as all the other guys. If you're interested in any of the ones in the back, or the guy in the front, we do have other videos on the channel about these guys here. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask a question down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in Star Wars Black Series figures, I've got a ton of videos coming out. We've got a lot of Black Series figures that are about to be released. So I'm looking forward to taking a closer look at them coming up. And they're going to be all new, ones that we haven't reviewed before. Totally different molds, so looking forward to taking a look at them with you. So with that, if you like this type of material, please subscribe to the channel. And with that, have a great day.